Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Guess what's coming up in a couple of days? Yes, St. Patrick's Day. Although we're not Irish, many of us celebrate the event just to have a well of a time. This is a good excuse to go out with our friends, have a party at our place, or simply make some green food and beverages like chocolate grasshopper martini or this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Shamrock Shake. This milkshake is an adult version and it's so awful good. It goes down smoothly, but don't drink it too fast or have too many. Otherwise, you can get flooded. Ossified. So my friends, slancha. In the jar or a blender, we'll add vanilla ice cream. Of course, I'm using my homemade, so to get the recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then, vodka, some crème de menthe, but you can substitute with mint, not peppermint, mint extract, followed by whole milk, and a few drops of food coloring. Now, if you want to avoid the commercial ones and make it natural, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. We'll place the lid on and process until smooth. 30 seconds at the most. That's enough. Now we'll go ahead and immediately pour it into a tall glass. Because of the added vodka and crème de menthe, the consistency won't be as thick as a regular milkshake, but trust me, it's quite good. Next, we'll top it up with whipped cream. I don't go into details how to make it, but to find out, you know what to do. We'll sprinkle on some green sanding sugar, which I'll be showing you how to make it from scratch soon, and garnish with a maraschino cherry. And my friends, this is our Shamrock Shake. If you want to be in the mood on St. Patrick's Day, this adult version will definitely help to do so. Enjoy it as a cocktail or even as an after-dinner drink. It's a quick and easy recipe to enjoy with your friends. Like I always say, drink responsibly. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!